Digitization and Utilization of Geographic Information System, or GIS. The goal of this project is to help all public administrators in the Philippines increase public service efficiency and delivery, as well as boost transparency and citizens' trust. Digitization in Geographic Information System is the process by which coordinates from a map, image, or other sources of data are converted into a digital format which can be used in many different ways to improve public administration in a country. With the Philippines in financial crisis in mind, it is recommended that this project be implemented with the lowest possible cost. It's a great thing that there's a free and open source Geographic Information System or GIS that we can utilize for the affordability of this project. That is the Quantum Geographic Information System or QGIS. Here are some advantages of QGIS. First, of course, it's free, which is a big savings for funds. Functionality because it supports viewing, editing, printing, and analysis of geospatial data. Flexibility because it's a cross-platform software that can be accessed in various platforms, such as Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Accessibility because it can be easily accessed online. Digitization of geographic data is already being used to improve public service. The National Housing Authority, for an example. National Housing Authority to date is already in digitization process, spearheaded by its Corporate Operations and System Development Department in collaboration with NHA regional offices and staff departments. They managed to achieve such accomplishment. Let's take a look at the NHA QGIS. In this slide, as you can see, it's a map with pins in it. These pins are placed with digitized data, mostly subdivision plans with technical descriptions for every house on a specified area. On the upper right hand of the screen, we can see some icons. The first icon is the layers of spatial data or the data that are already categorized. When we hover our pointer on this icon, we'll be able to set subdata in groups. Next is the search button where we can search up stored data in the GIS. And the last one is for placing points on the actual map, which provides distance, measurements, and coordinates accurately. In here, we use the first function to see group of data within the area and click the checkbox for CII layer. Upon clicking this checkbox, the map became highlighted with a solid color, which means that this highlighted portion on the map are the CII. By the way, CII means commercial, industrial, and institutional lots. Moving on the next function, we entered only a portion of data in the search bar, and it showed us data or projects that are close to what we have entered in the search bar. We clicked at Karangalan Village, and the map showed us where it's located. Zooming in closer in this area, we can now simply click any closed area or lot and see the data of the property. As previewed in the right side of the screenshot, we can see various data pertaining to the property. Project name, lot area, title number, name of owner, and even the account summary of the owner. For the last function, we placed 4 points in the map, and the GIS immediately provided us the actual distance and area of the pinned portion of the map. Having QGIS in our local government units and barangays enables them to outline their area of responsibility and use it as a map with details of the structures and residents who reside in the barangay or city. The local government and barangay will be able to efficiently monitor public order. For example, as we see on the screen, is the monitoring of boundaries of every structure based on their technical description. The barangay will be able to act on the legal structures that obstruct public roads or properties in coordination with the LGU, which is, in the long run, will be beneficial to all. Our conclusion is that to implement digitization and utilization of geographic information system in all LGUs and barangay in the country is to equip them a utility tool that can be used in data statistics and analysis that are some major factors in planning and improvement of public administration in the nation. With that said, it will just be a matter of time to have a visible progress in public administration of our country. Proudly introducing you are the members of our group for this topic. And these are the references for our topic. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.